Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Welcome to our extensive gallery showcasing the full breadth and range of bed available to the modern consumer. With this collection, we aim to organize and examine the full spectrum of bed options. Size range from the smallest twin to king bed at the large end. Each size is designed with a specific use in mind, from children to single adults, all the way to tall couples. Frame materials for beds hold a small variety: metal, wood, or rattan. Each can be crafted into nearly any style of design of bed. Frame material: metal. Metal bed frames are a more modern convention, lacking the warmth and familiarity of traditional wood construction frames. They can be much lighter, more versatile in modifying size, and often fit a contemporary look well. Wood. Our most common and oldest furniture building material, wood is pretty self-explanatory. It informs the most ornate and handcrafted pieces in this collection. Wicker, rattan. Rattan or wicker is a style where material is moving into a hard surface. It can be made of plant-based or plastic materials and is often lightweight and firm. Pallet bed. Another popular material used for bed frames that people often make themselves is a pallet bed frame. It's so popular you could argue that it's become a particular bed frame style. They can be with or without wheels. They can be any size. You can build them low to the ground or elevated. Essentially, the pallet creates a platform on which the bed mattress is placed. Bed design is what defines the actual form and structure of the frame itself. Types by design. Platform. A platform bed has a base which consists of a raised, level horizontal solid frame, often with a section consisting of rows of flexible wooden soles or lattice structure meant to support just a mattress. This platform provides adequate flexible support and ventilation for a mattress by itself, eliminating the need for a box spring or a second mattress as a foundation. Folding. A folding bed has a hinged frame, allowing the bed to be stored in a much smaller space. These are often used in guest bedrooms and spaces where the bed will not be used regularly. Some examples fold in a wheeled frame to put in closets, while others fold into an enclosure meant to be displayed. Panel. A panel bed consists of a headboard and footboard made from flat panels of wood. The panels are framed with raised molding and grooves that mimic traditional wood paneling or wainscoting. The headboard and footboard are connected by wooden rails. Manufacturers offer panel beds in both painted and wood-stained finishes. Some also offer headboard-only versions. Sleigh. The sleigh bed features curved or scrolled foot and headboards resembling a sled or sleigh. Often made of heavy wood, this style is a result of the French and American Empire period of the early 19th century. Today's sleigh beds are made from a variety of materials, including wood, iron, steel, and aluminium, and often possesses less exaggerated curves of the foot and headboards. Murphy. Wall beds. Murphy beds, aka wall beds, are designed to save space in a unique way, by hinging the frame so that the bed itself can be titled vertically and sorted in a closet or cabinet. Adjustable. If you like reading or using devices in bed or watching TV in bed, seriously consider an adjustable bed where via a monitor it adjusts up into various levels of sitting positions. You can take it one step further and have it so both sides can be adjusted independently. Standard. A standard bed frame is usually considered one with a simple metal frame upon which the box spring and mattress will sit. Santiago bed. The Santiago bed design is an old-world bed design with a decorative crown-shaped headboard. Day bed. Day beds are used for sleeping, lounging, recycling, and sitting, often in common rooms. Frames can be made of wood, metal, or a combination, while the shape is a cross between chairs, lounge, couch, and a bed. Poster. A poster, or more commonly four-poster bed, is built with four vertical columns, one in each corner, sometimes supporting an upper panel. Traditionally, these beds were highly ornate and made of carved oak, but now come in a variety of materials and configurations. Canopy. A canopy bed is a decorative bed style similar to the poster. A typical example features posts at each of the four corners extending far above the mattress. Ornate or decorative fabric is draped across the upper space between the posts, create a ceiling or canopy covering the bed space. Bunk bed. Obvious adults don't get bunk beds for a primary bedroom, but they do buy them for kids' bedrooms, which is a great space-saving piece of furniture for kids training in the room, or for having an extra bed in the house. Moreover, kids love them. I had one as a kid and I loved it. Futons. Another great space-saving type of bed is the futon. Like most furniture, there are many types of futons available, including small futons, large, and in a huge variety of styles. We have large wooden futon and absolutely love it. It was fairly expensive, but it's well made and we've had it for more than 13 years. It's great for guests as well as provides a good sitting option. Pull-out sofa bed. A pull-out sofa bed is a form of sleeper sofa. This type of sofa has a mattress that folds into the sofa that can be pulled out and turned into a bed. Convertible sofa. A convertible sofa is also a form of sleeper sofa, but is different than a pulled-out sofa bed in that there is no separate mattress for the bed. Instead, the sofa seat cushion and back cushions seamlessly create the bed mattress. It is a very simple concept. The sofa back adjusts downward, creating one flat surface area which is the bed. Storage beds. Storage beds hold drawers or otherwise concealed storage beneath or surrounding the mattress itself. Some models even have a hinged frame where the entire sleeping surface can be lifted to reveal storage.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.